Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to uninstall PeaZip from a Windows computer. For this tutorial, I'm only going to show you where the uninstall option is. I will not actually uninstall PeaZip from my computer. First, click on the Start button on your Windows desktop. Now open Settings. Inside Settings, click on Apps from the left side. Next, click on Installed Apps. You will now see a list of applications installed on your computer. At the top, you will find a search box. Click on the search box and type PeaZip. You should now see PeaZip in the list of installed applications. Look at the right side of PeaZip and click on the three-dot menu. A small menu will appear. From this menu, you will see the uninstall option. If you want to remove PeaZip from your computer, you can click on Uninstall and follow the instructions shown on the screen. However, for this tutorial, I am not going to click the final uninstall confirmation. I'm only showing you where the option is, so you can easily find it on your own computer. If you decide to uninstall PeaZip later, simply follow the same steps. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Installed Apps, search for PeaZip, click the three dots and choose Uninstall. And that's how you can find the PeaZip uninstall option in Windows. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy Windows tutorials.